Alright, so it's just after lunch on Sunday. My dummy self already shoveled this twice today. And you can't tell. We got probably 8 inches. Let's see, not quite. Are you happy? Oh my. Yeah, so let's call it 6, maybe 8 in places. It's so windy though. I mean, there's literally nothing on my car. I didn't clean that off. See the drifts in the driveway. Whew, let's see what everybody's up to. Who's having more fun, the kids or the dog?
Come here. Oh, are you going to do that? I want to do a Polaroid picture. Can we all just sit on your lap, babe? You sit on the ground here. Okay.
You having fun?
Wait, don't do it till we're going to do it.
Ow! Mommy, I'll be the picture though.
Okay, maybe you should wait. You got your first on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And then put this on your arm.
Don't put it in the snow on purpose.
Oh! On my gloves! I can't get up!
Turn around. Here. Give me your hand.
Oh.
Yeah.